GE Guaranteed Fit. Compatible with select GE side-by-side and bottom freezer refrigerators. Premium Filtration. Certified to reduce chlorine-resistant cysts, lead, select pharmaceuticals and 15 other contaminants. Twist and lock design. Simple design provides easy, tool-free, no-mess filter replacement. Max. Filtered water flow, GPM, 0.5. 6-month filter life. For best filtration results, filter cartridge should be replaced every 6 months or 300 gallons. GES most advanced filtration tested and verified to filter 5 trace pharmaceuticals, including ibuprofen, progesterone and others. Replaces GWF, GWFA, GWF01, GWF06, MWFA. Top reviews from the United States. Works well in our GE refrigerator. Easy to install. Unscrew old filter in the top right of our fridge and remove the top sticker from the new filter and screw it on. Easy ordering process through Amazon and saved me a trip to the appliance store.